Hey guys, my name's Evie and this is my sidekick Easton. Today we're gonna make you one of our favorite recipes. It's Mexican street corn soup. It's a lot of fun to make. It's really easy, simple ingredients, so let's get started. Okay, so first what you're gonna wanna do is shuck about 10 ears of corn. And then once you do that, get back to me. Okay, so here's the new gadget that I'm trying out. It's called a corn stripper. So I have never used it, so let's try to see how it works. Okay, actually pretty good. So you can see the corns in there, and it took the corn right off the ear. So, okay, so go ahead and do that to all your corn. Okay, so now that you have all of your corn shucked, you're gonna wanna save about 6 ears of corn, and I'll show you why later. We're gonna use that for in the soup to add flavor. But for now, I'm gonna add the fresh corn, and I already heated up about 1/4 cup of olive oil. So I'm gonna add the corn to this. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna let this simmer and let this get nice and brown. But what I also do is I also add bags of frozen corn to it, because if I did it this way, just all fresh, you can, it would taste really, really good this way. But to save money and to save time, I also mix frozen corn. Just whatever brand I can find at the store that is on sale, that's what I use. So I'll let you know in a little bit, but I'll probably add about 4 or 5 bags, maybe more, maybe 6, because I'm gonna do, since I meal prep, I like to do a large quantity. And this soup, you have to add a lot of corn because the whole base is soup. So I'm gonna do that now. And then as this cooks, probably for about 10 minutes, then I'll get back to you. So as this is cooking and browning on the edges, I'm gonna add some chili powder, some pink Himalayan salt, and just some normal ground black pepper. You wanna go ahead and cut up your garlic. I have about 4 cloves here, and then you can put it in your corn. That's it, guys. Very easy to make, and as you see, I have a whole pot there so I can meal prep for the rest of the week with this. So let's try it out now. So good. Enjoy, guys.